Hey YouTubers, good morning, it's Robb Moffett. Guys, you know it's Monday, but it's gonna be Wednesday really quick, and on Wednesdays I do my wild card videos. And I was thinking this morning, what am I gonna do for Wednesday's video? Because it can be anything, but when it can be anything, it's like there's so many choices, it's hard to make up your mind, and pretty soon Wednesday's here. And somebody knocked on the door and they brought this package. I said, you know what? I'm gonna do the video on this. This is a box that Brad sent me from BcTruck, BC Blades, a buddy over there in Texas, and I feature him on my channel. If you guys watch my channel, you see people I feature on my channel. Brad's been on there from the beginning. He knows that I've been filming with my my phone, my sister gave me because she was embarrassed because I'm in the 90s. I have a flip phone, and so she gave me an old Samsung 5, and yeah, welcome to the 90s. But so I've been filming with it because the other cameras I always use, my old Canon S100s, which I love because you can put them in your pocket, and they were a better camera than I was ever a photographer. I tell you, they're great cameras, but they have all those lens errors. I fixed a lot of things on these cameras, but I just gave up. And so I was going to do a boxing video. I've only done one boxing video in 13 years of making videos. It was I had purchased some boxes online, and when they came, they were in a box. So I did a boxing video of me unboxing the boxes, which I thought was hilarious, but nobody else did. But it's still funny. But this is my second unboxing video in my career on such as it is on YouTube. So we're gonna see. He said he sent a camera he got for $5. Let me go get a razor blade. So let's see what we got in the box. Brad said he found a camera online, no, on at a garage sale or something for $5. And we'll see what kind of camera we got here. Alrighty. I'm opening from the bottom. That way you don't see his address. You may not. Well, we got a leaf. This could be an integral part of the camera. We don't know. It could be a Canon. Well, cameras do have leaf lens. EverioS S memory camera. JVC. JVC is a good brand. Nice and heavy. We've got the therapy. Ooh, those are loud. That's industrial. What else we got in here? We got two boxes. Two for the price of one. Okay. A high-flow air filter. This is one of those new technological filters. They're so light that they don't add any weight. They're just like, you can hardly tell they're there. It's like incredible. Really super fantastic technology they have nowadays. It's unbelievable. You won't believe. It's like, it's almost like there's no filter there. It's really great. It's amazing. JVC, Japanese Video Corporation. You know, I first started doing YouTube videos. The first digital camera I ever had was an old $29 camera I got from Ace Hardware. It was a RCA Easy 101. And I love that camera. The only thing is, it was well, I couldn't find it. I was going to see if I could find it to show you guys, but basically it's just same as this. You end up getting video quality just like you use this. It was very much the same. We need some background music for this, some opening music. Da 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 da. No, that's not wrong music. All right. Power cord. My finger got caught. Do SD card. One touch. This looks brand new. This doesn't look like it's ever been used. There's not a scratch on it. Well, Brad, thank you very much. Dual card slot. Let's see what it says. Oh, what else do we got? I think we've got the magic cables. Hook up to the big TV. Go into the computer. And all of the easy startup guide. I'll do a video of it and upload it, and you can see what it looks like. Brad, thank you very much. This is the first thing anybody has sent to me on YouTube. Really appreciate it. I'll have to send you something. Maybe you would like a nice camera from 1982. No. I'll send you the key to my whole operation. I love this little guy. This is what I hook up most of my cameras with. It's better than those Gorilla tripods you can put in your pocket. You can still put this in your pocket just about, but you can clamp onto things. I'm going to add a super strong neodymium magnet, and maybe a piece of string and a clip to where you can let it down and put it on your foot, and you can put some pressure on it, so when you're holding it steady, it gives you some pressure to keep from shaking. With a magnet, that would be cool. Also, it sits on it like it'll stand up on its own. It's they're just as inexpensive as the Gorilla tripods. I like them. But imagine if you had a big magnet on there. You could stick it to your car or a motorcycle, whatever you wanted. They're really handy. All right. Well, guys, I know you found this fascinating, right? Thank you so much, Brad, for the JVC. I'll be doing a video, and we'll see what kind of quality we get out of it. It's been a pleasure. So, guys, that was a wild card video for this morning. Okay, just doing a quick shot with the JVC to see what the video quality is and the audio quality. We could bring up the cameras we brought up before, and here's our other camera. How's it good on the text? So that's the quality we're getting compared to the Samsung, and it looks brand new, Brad. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. New videos every week, and I'll come back. Watch more. Take care. See you out there.